Okay, just returning to part C. Initial year is 1980, so if we want the number of birds in the year 2000, we're going to want it when the T number is 20. Okay, so I'm substituting the number 20 as my power into the equation. There it is, 99 times 1.132 to the power of 20. Answer comes out to be 1181. Okay, in part D, we've got a new model. Okay, our new equation is this one there. And again, it does say where T is the number of years after 1980. Okay, so initial value would be 1180, which we've just found in the previous part of the question. But we're using a different model, and it's going down. We've got a decreasing rate here. Look of 0.83. And then find the population size in the year 2010. Okay, so this is only applying where T is bigger than 20, because we've gone from 1980 to the year 2000, and now for part D we want to find the population in 2010. So the T number is going to be 30. Coming back to the equation again then. So if I put the number 30 in here for the year 2010, then we'll do it to the power of 10, and you'll have 183 birds. Okay, what have we got for part E? In which year does the model suggest the size of the population will first drop below 30? So I'm going to set this equation equal to 30, and then I can use the nsolve function on my calculator. Okay, so set the whole of that equation equal to 30, and I use nsolve on my calculator. It will solve just one letter, unknown, equal to a value, and then the answer comes out to be 39.71. But it says in which year will it first drop below 30 birds. So it will be in the 40th year, or the year 2020, where it will drop below. Okay, and then what have we got? Part F. How many years was the population greater than 500? So we're going to now put it equal to 500 and see the two answers that we get where the population equals 500. Okay, there we go. Okay, this one you're going to need to draw the graph. All right, you draw the graph of y equals 500, and for the other one you draw the graph of y equals 1080 times, etc. The two graphs and where they intersect are your years, your T years. I found values of 24.61 and 13.1. So the difference between those two is where the graph will be greater than 500. So take them away, and the difference then is 11.5 years. If that's where they equal 500, the difference is where the graph is below, greater than 500. All right, and again, part G, we've got another new model. Okay, where are we at? There it is. They now expect it to increase at a rate of 8% per year. So that percentage now isn't going to be 0.83, not going to be what we found previously at 1.13, it's going to be 1.08. Okay, there it is. But I need to know the starting value when in 2020. Okay, so we've just found at 2020, or we need to find at 2020